So I had this Dell computer stopped and stored for a while, and I will now be using it just for small works like Words, Excels, etc. And I will be cleaning it, changing the thermal paste, upgrading the hard drive to a 500 gig, and also replacing the CMOS battery, just so I make sure it works properly in the future. So the cleaning will consist of removing dust, changing thermal paste as I said, so I will leave you to it, and on the end I'll come back to you just to show you how to update the settings on the BIOS, because when you remove the battery it will be erased. So hope you enjoy the video, leave you with some music, and see you back on the end of the video.
I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow.
Already set to go, so let's turn it on so you can see what I meant by the BIOS being erased. So you'll be greeted with this screen. This screen will go into loading, and it will come up to this, and eventually it will ask you for a reboot. When it does so, just like here is asking for a reboot, when it does so, you just do it and press the F12 button on the keyboard so you can go back to the settings. So it will come to this screen, you go to BIOS setup, and then you go through the settings that I'm going to tell you right now. Here what you need to do is change the date settings for the current date, then go to the boot sequence, select UEFI, and then go to system configuration and SATA operation and select AHC high. This is the ones that you need for the computer to boot back. Do exit, it will save the settings that you have changed, and then it will eventually boot up into the Windows again if you had it configured already. So it will greet you with this Dell screen, will go off and back on again with the Windows loading screen. On the Windows, just to show you here that it assumed the new disk that I've placed with 500 gigs. There we go. So if you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you want, do a subscription. I will thank you a lot, and have a happy new year.